Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. Tamil Nadu's information technology sector is committed to contributing to the vision of the state of becoming a $1 trillion economy by 2030, said Mano Thangaraj, State Information Technology Minister. Inaugurating an AI and data analytics conclave here on Friday, he said Tamil Nadu is a premier state in India in adopting IT tools to deliver quick and efficient online services to people of the state. The conclave is a common platform for experts and leaders from the government, CEOs from IT, ITES, and domain experts, researchers to come together and evangelize under the theme Role of AI and Data Science in the Future Growth of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu E-Governance Agency, which is spearheading the IT development, has several notable projects to its credit, including eSevai, which provides over 130 online services to people through more than 10,800 centers spread across the state. For the convenience of people and to encourage cashless transactions, an Aadhaar-enabled payment service AEPS has now been introduced. People visiting eSevai centers can now record their details on a biometric system and the charges for the service would be debited from their Aadhaar-linked bank account to the eSevai center. Other significant projects include eOffice, which aims at paperless offices and better government and administration, the State Family Database centralized, secure and a single source of resident data, and Tamil Nadu Geographical Information System. TNEGA has also rolled out a safe and ethical AI policy and the Tamil Nadu blockchain policy, a pointer to its ability to handle new, emerging and sophisticated technologies, said a Tamil Nadu government communication. TNEGA, through its Center of Excellence in Emerging Technologies, has successfully implemented a face recognition attendance system FRAS in government schools and offices. Further, TNEGA's eParvai, an AI-based Android mobile application system that helps detect cataracts, has been successfully tested and implemented in 14 districts of the state as part of its vision to build infrastructure for smart governance, improving the competitiveness of the state economy. TNEGA recently designed and developed two new portals, eMonitorum and IT Nanbank. The portal will contribute in paving the way for increasing the ease of doing businesses, rankings and greater interaction between stakeholders, government, IT, ITEs, MSMEs, research organizations, educational institutions and domain experts, it added.
For arthroscopy and sports injuries.